Hello, in this video I want to show you how to enable or disable Sidetone in Base Station for Arctis Nova Pro wireless headset. And to do this, we'll need to look on our base station. Right here you can press and hold the wheel like that to enter settings. Now go to the next option, which is audio options, and click on them. Now go to the Sidetone, click on it, and here you can turn it on or off. You can turn it on or off. Also set it to low, medium or high. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.